EverBank high saving accounts. Imagine banking that doesn't just keep up with your financial goals but actually propels them forward. With EverBank's innovative approach, you are not just saving, you are growing. Discover how EverBank is redefining what it means to truly invest in your future. Hi guys and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can use EverBank high saving accounts. So what is EverBank? EverBank is a financial institution that combines the stability of traditional banking with innovative financial solutions designed to empower individuals and businesses alike with a commitment to providing competitive rates, cutting-edge technology, and personalized customer service. EverBank aims to redefine the banking experience, whether you are looking to manage your savings more effectively, invest for the future, or secure financing. EverBank offers a range of products tailored to meet your needs. Their mission is to help you not only achieve your financial goals but exceed them all while maintaining a strong foundation of trust and reliability. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into EverBank, everbank.com. So this is the homepage. We have your various things. First, here we have how you can open an account. You click over open account, then you write your personal information and then you start with it. Then you can also find your account if you already did your account, and you click over login and you write your personal information and you start with it. And here we have also personal. So we have your banking, today's rates, support, about high yield accounts. We have performance savings, performance money market, performance checking. About city accounts, we have performance city. Then we have diversified investing overview, precious metals, foreign currencies, market safe. Then we have your online and mobile, online tools and services, mobile banking, send money with salary, awards and recognition. Then we have your business also, our business home, today's rates, support. About accounts, we have checking overview, money market, high yield cities, business city, CDARS cities. We have currency access account, and then we have your services, tertiary services, merchant services, foreign exchange. Then we have your online mobile business, online banking, mobile banking also. Then we have commercial here. We have commercial overview. We are here to help build up your business so you can create more value, impact, and potential. You can rely on our dedicated specialists, highly responsive service and vast expertise to propel your business forward. Then you have your commercial home, client services. You have also solutions here. You have fund financing first, multifamily lending, specialty and lender financing. We have the last one, it's about. You have the first thing, it's about home, leadership, security center. We have about cars, we have search cars, news and media. Also we have newsroom, awards and recognition. Then we have here about EverBank. We know the hard work you put in to get where you are, and we want you to know that funding you and earned advantage is what drives us. We are committed to delivering constantly high yields dedicated service. So if you come back to the homepage here, we have various things to do. We have here personal banking, our 5% API gives your savings and advantages. Posting a competitive high yield and normally maintenance free. Our EverBank performance savings account makes your hard-earned money work harder for you. Then if we scroll down, we have here ever protected. With FDC insurance, you can be sure that your hard-earned money is secure and safe at EverBank. Your deposits are automatically insured by the FDC up to the legal limits. Then we have every performance. You deserve to get the most out of your money, so we deliver solutions that succeed from competitive interest rates to our performance accounts built to fit your individual needs. Then we have your 5% EverBank performance savings. Take your savings to the next level with our high yield account. Boosting no monthly account fee, no minimum balance requirements, and easy mobile and online access. Then we have here, it's time banked on more, get more out of your money, and how you bank with the accounts, services, and rates that separates us from banking as usual. Then we have here strong security. Rest assured that your information, accounts, and money are safe with our range of trusted security measures. Then we have your free cash access with our checking and money market accounts. Freely access your cash at over than 80,000 no-fee ATMs across the country who have your mobile check deposits. Why go out of your way to deposit a check? Use our mobile app to send it to us securely and in a snap. Then we have here about us, learn about our rich history, dynamic growth, diverse services, and unwavering commitment to financial success. And then we have here information to keep it in mind. So all you have to do is read this information to more understand about EverBank. So we have the first one here, second one, the third one here, and the fourth one. So you can just read it to more understand. And if we scroll down, we have here discover, we have here about us, awards and recognition, newsroom, security center, search cars, and then we have resources here, at him, finder, branch locations, forms and applications. Then we have accessibility, we have my money program also, and we have here we are closer than you think, EverBank contact us. Then we have your support also, and we have other things. So EverBank distinguishes itself by offering a comprehensive suite of financial products that cater to both individuals and businesses, providing competitive interest rates that maximize returns on savings CDs and investment accounts. Their innovative approach to banking is reflected in a variety of specialized financial products, including high yield savings accounts and customizable investment options tailored to meet the unique goals of each customer, leveraging cutting-edge technology. EverBank's online platform and mobile app make it incredibly easy to manage your finances on the go with intuitive interfaces and real-time access to your account. Moreover, EverBank places a strong emphasis on personalized customer service, ensuring that every client receives expert advice and solutions that are aligned with their specific financial objective. This commitment to personalization extends to their flexible banking solution, which can be customized to fit the needs of individuals seeking simple checking accounts or businesses requiring complex financial. So EverBank offers a unique blend of competitive financial products, cutting-edge technology, and personalized service, all backed by a strong commitment to security and client success. Whether you are looking to manage your finance efficiently or grow your wealth strategically, EverBank is dedicated to helping you achieve your financial goals with confidence. So before security is a top priority at EverBank with advanced measures in place to protect your financial information and assets. The global reach coupled with deep local market knowledge allows EverBank to offer insights and opportunities that are both expensive and relevant to clients in various regions. EverBank's dedication to growth is evident in their strategic plan, resources, educational tools, and investment opportunities designed to help customers not only meet but exceed their financial goals, ensuring a secure and prosperous future. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.